show you how I am setting LED blinking on the board for Raspberry Pi example. This is my drawing diagram. You see on the left side over here, it is Raspberry Pi 2 or 3 pin. It total 40 pin over here. On the left side is the odd number, it start with 1. On the right side, even number is start with 2. On this example, I select pin number 6 for ground, it stands for negative, and I select pin number 12 for GPIO 18, it stands for positive. This one is a serial circuit. When you don't send anything, or you send value equal 0 or low from the switch, if you send 0 voltage over here, and this circuit is not working. You send value equal 1 or high to this GPIO 18 pin. If you set voltage equal 3.3 volt and current is 4 milliampere. When you have the voltage, you have the current, you can calculate the resistance, and on this calculation I get 825 ohm for this serial circuit. About LED, the example I use red LED. You can see bottom here, red LED is need 1.9 voltage. I have the 1.9 volt for red LED, and current is 4 milliampere or 0.00 ampere. Because in the serial circuit, all components have the same current. That means LED have 4 milliampere, resistor still have 4 milliampere. Back to the red LED over here. When you have the voltage 1.9, current is 0.00 ampere, and you can calculate the resistance for this LED. It needs 475 ohm. Total the circuit needs 825 ohm. We minus 475 ohm from the red LED. We get the 350 ohm more for this circuit. That means we need the new resistor 355 ohm. But on this example, as a case, you use 500 ohm or more resistor to keep the LED live. Okay, back to the board. I show you how I set it over there. You see on this circuit, you have to use the LED, but you have to know with the positive and negative LED on the LED. You see this LED over here, it have long LED over here. It's the positive. If they have short LED, it's negative. Or you can check inside the LED here. You see a small bar over here, it's the positive. In the big bar, it's the negative. Or you can check on the side of LED. If you see the other side of LED is black, that means negative. Otherwise, it's positive. Now, back to the circuit. I use my example in red LED, and now I set the red LED to the circuit. In this circuit, you see I have the red LED. You have 2 pins, one long LED and one short LED. See here, this one, the long LED for pin for the pin 45, and the short LED for negative for the 47. The short LED, you need connect to resistor, and the resistor is connect to ground. You see this one is ground. All this line over here is connect together, and the resistor to see this 46 over here. All this one is connect together. Okay. Now I said I already have the ground over here. You see the ground, and this one I already connect to my Raspberry Pi, and I connect to over here. You see my diagram. You see the one ground, pin number 6 is ground over here, and we have the next one. We have to go GPIO 18 and pin number 12. I already have the connect to the circuit. This one my GPIO 18 and connect to over here the line 45. You see the line 43, 44 and 45 over here. The line 45 for the GPIO 18 and positive, and the 46 is for resistance. Go to the ground. Okay, this one is one closed circuit over here. See this one GPIO 18 positive is connect to the positive leg of LED, and from negative leg of LED connect to the resistor, and resistor connect to the ground over here. That's it. And next step I will show you how I write the code to turn on the LED blinking every 2 seconds. This circuit run in Raspberry Pi command shell. See this one GPIO or I show you how to do that. Okay, right now you see I generate export for the GPIO 18 over here. If GPIO, and the second one right now I set direction out. Okay. You see, and we see over here direction. I set and turn on with this one. My set one on my set. On board is pin number 12. I will set the sleep mode 2 seconds. Direction out. and this one the location where the GI poles are. This one I have to check the measure the folder it exists. If it not exist, I have create new folder for this one of GPIO 18. Otherwise, just we skip that direction. That I set direction out over here for the GPIO direction out. Look like I showed you before. This one is command. This one is command. But if you want to enable that, over here, by remove this one, it enable that. But right now it disable that. Command out. Okay. This one message H-code, that means message is green LED for every 2 seconds. Press Ctrl C to stop. This one infinity loop. Otherwise, I have to run what forever unless you press Ctrl C. This one LED on. I have to send to value over here. It turn LED on. That means high, and it has sleep 2 seconds and turn it off. And just continue and do forever unless you put the Ctrl C. Okay, let's see how we run this one.